हाय गाइस, माय नेम इज़ श्रेया गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो होने वाली है काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज आई हैव माई लिटिल सिस्टर विद मी राइट हियर. She is 10 years old. Today she is gonna do my full face of makeup. Like I'm gonna give her a challenge. Basically I'm gonna give you all the makeup products and उसमें से अब तुमको मेरा मेकअप करना है, ठीक है?
Okay.
और तुमको ट्यूटोरियल भी देना है, जैसे मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स देते हैं ना वीडियो में. यूट्यूब में देखा है ना, देते हैं ऐसे,
हाँ.
वैसे देना है, ठीक है? एंड आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes, I'm very excited to do your makeup.
Let's go! Okay, so I'm back with all the makeup products right here. I'm gonna give you guys a gist of what all I have kept in my makeup bag.
So first I'm gonna put this CC cream. That is completely clear.
Show them the CC cream. Tell
Okay.
them what you are applying, no?
So this is CC cream that I'm applying to her face. Okay.
What are you doing? Tell them.
So I'm just blushing the.
Blushing the blush.
Okay. I'm
Blending.
blending the cream. So and I'm blending up, down, everywhere.
Next, what do you want to apply?
Okay, so then I want to apply this rose powder, Lakme.
Okay.
Okay, I'll use this powder. Then I will blush, blend it all over to her face.
Yes, she has this best friend, and her best friend doesn't believe that I am her sister who makes videos on YouTube, and that's the reason. She's like, make videos with me. I want to show my best friend. And it's so funny.
So then I'm gonna add her a little bit some kajal. Okay, so this is Lakme kajal. Now I'm gonna put it to her, and let's see.
Where do I look? ऊपर नीचे कहाँ देखूँ?
Okay, upar.
Okay.
No blinking.
But my eyes are watering. I'm going to go blind now.
You want?
Done with my eyes. I can't see how it looks, but let's hope for the best. I'm gonna see my entire makeup एकदम end में. So what are you gonna do next?
What is this? Can you tell me?
I can't help you.
Okay.
You want to put it on my lips?
Yes.
Okay. I'm putting outside my lips.
I'm gonna also put here also. Don't worry.
So you're putting it as a lipstick
Yes.
or something else?
I'm gonna put the lipstick later.
Okay, guys. This is clearly not how I expected the video to be. Now, what do you want to do with this?
Okay. Now blend. मैं अभी इसको cheeks powder लगाऊंगी.
What? क्या powder?
Cheek. Okay.
नहीं, क्या powder? वो पहले बोलो. सही तो
Cheek
बोला.
powder.
Cheek powder ऐसा दिखता है.
I'm using this red one. Yes, not too much.
Not too much. Okay.
Or the eyelashes to put. I don't know.
Okay. Be careful.
Okay, just.
What do you want me to do?
Oh, it's a mascara.
Oh, it's mascara. She knows what a mascara is.
Okay, so I'm putting this red lipstick. It's really red. Okay, just do it like this. I think it's a lip gloss. For final touch, I'm gonna put. Okay. So this is her final makeup look, and so tell me in the comments that how she looks. Okay.
So I'm gonna see how क्या कलाकारी की है इसने. Oh my god. This is hilarious. Side ka wing is like very nice, and considering it is done by 10-year-old is like fabulous. She definitely knew what she was doing with a lot of makeup products. She has I look very funny, I know. But
so this is her final look, and I don't know she really liked it or not. I don't really think so. So okay guys, so I'm ending this video. Like, subscribe and share. Bye.